I'm Zink with Remax Synergy in Bedford, New Hampshire, and welcome to 30 Town Village Drive in Salem, New Hampshire. Thanks for visiting us here today at 30 Town Village Drive in Salem, New Hampshire. I'm Zink with Remax. If you'd like to book a showing, we'd love to have you here for one.